have to create a HTML file. If you don't know how to do that, watch my previous video. I put a link in the description. Okay, first you need to create an HTML document. Okay, I name it as index.html. Yeah, okay, here is my HTML file, and we don't need this text document, so I am going to delete it. Yeah, this is your HTML file. We didn't code anything, so there is a empty web page, and you should open this HTML file in the notepad. Right click on it and open with and notepad. Yeah, index.html and index.html. In this video I suggest you to download the Notepad++ because it is very easy to coding. So I put a link in the description if you want to download it. When you install it, just right click and edit it Notepad++. If you don't like, you can continue the normal Notepad. That's not a matter. Okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is your HTML file, and this is the web page. Now we are going to learn the basic structure. Okay, first one is HTML tag. Yeah, this is the HTML tag. HTML tag has opening tag and closing tag. Only the difference is the backslash. This is the HTML opening tag, and this is HTML closing tag. I'm going to code it on my notepad. Yeah, I put some spaces here. This is HTML opening tag and closing tag. Between these two tags you can put any HTML codes. Yeah. Our second one is head tag. Yeah, head tag also have opening tag and closing tag. This is the opening head tag and this is closing head tag. Yeah, I put some space here and code like this. It is a good practice when you nested any element inside the element. You should put some space. You can press just tab key in the keyboard and type like this. Yeah. Then our third tag is body tag. It's also have opening tag and closing tag. Yeah. After the head you should type the body like this. Okay, cool. In the HTML document there are two main parts, head part and body part. Your codings in the body part will appear in the web page here, and head part is used to add some meta data and your website title. I'll show you how to do that. Now you know three HTML codes: HTML tag, head tag and body tag. It is easy to remember closing tag because the difference is only the backslash. Okay, now this is the title tag, opening title tag and closing title tag. Yeah, you should type the title tag inside the head tag. So put some space like this and type the title tag. Yeah, between these two title tags you can type any title that you like to add as a title in your web page. I am going to add like this, my title. Okay, just save it by press the Control S, or you can file and go and save. Okay, after save the file, just refresh your web page. Yeah, now you can see your web page title will change. If you type, you can type anything as your title, it will change in here. Okay, this is the title tag. And body tag is used to add any elements in your body. I'm just add something. This is my HTML body. Yeah, you can see this is the body tag. This is the your content, and it will appear in the web page. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, here is the basic structure of an HTML. First element is first code is HTML tag, then head and body. Inside the head you can type title tag, and inside the body you can type any content in the your web page. Okay, this is the basic structure: HTML, head and body. uh, After this video we will learn more about the codings tags which comes on the head and under the body. Okay, if you learn something in this video, put a like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will hope to give you more HTML tutorials in the near future. Thank you.